Guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video we are going to talk about the latest update in a W coin community. So our W coin, they released some announcement like earlier today, so I will go and dive into it and understand it like very much. So our W coin, like here is the latest announcement that they have made, like W coin listing date confirmed. So they make it clear, like, mate, we finally made it after months of building, grinding, and pushing through every challenge. WCoin is officially listing on April 29. So we really appreciate. So since like they said that they have been uh, officially like announced the date, like this one is not a first time that they said that they are going to list the token. So maybe this one, it is the exact day or correct day that they are going to list their token. So again, they make it clear here. They said that no more delays, no more soon, and this is the real, it's happening. See, it's confirmed. So yes, exactly, they make it like very clear, like they confirm it. The token definitely is going to be hitting to the market like on 29 April. And then again, the market is on our side, momentum is here, and this is the final stretch before everything change. And then again, everything you do now counts more than ever. So related to like allocations, so allocations could be like could be included like a part of the participation that you made in the Telegram mini app. So here, as you can see, like connecting wallet, it is the first criteria: completing campaign, free listing tax, match invitation, all in app engagement. So all the app engagement that we have made it, or all the taxes that have been made it, so definitely it will going to be consistent. All activity boosts your place in the airdrop queue, and yes, everyone still has a chance to claim their spot in airdrop. More partnership announcement coming soon. Here, mining will officially close some state on for the court updates. All of its boost flies in the drop list finished strong rate. So all of its boost flies you all of its your flash in the drop. Let's finish strong make. So W coin, they make their listing to be on 29 April, which like they have confirmed it, like they are going to any like postponement in this token. They said that they confirm it, like they have been signed an acknowledgement with exchange, like on that day they are going to list that token. So all of our hours, like it is to say like so be it. So maybe they are going to list it on 29 April, so that we should look for another one to keep building. So I wouldn't like bother like to be keep digging in the like W coin. So just need to finish it and keep it aside and just move forward. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.